when we started out, we knew what the big picture and the target state, what we want to get the value out of Redpoint. But to your point, we definitely wanted to start something small, something quick that we can sort of showcase to our business partners, see how the member reacts to what we are putting in place. We sort of aligned this with the launch of a consumer-driven plan that I was talking about called a Bluefit. We sort of aligned our implementation to go with the launch of that Bluefit product. It sort of required members to sort of automatically align and agree for digitally communicating with them. And that's the starting point. One where most of the communication is digitally centralized. We definitely wanted to sort of use that as our launch pad. And once we did that, we also wanted to make sure that the benefit that members are going to get, we need to help them navigate through and in order to enable them to gain the maximum value from their plan. So what we did was we started with having 3 recommended for you tiles for those Bluefit members. All of them were driven from Redpoint's RTD. At a real time when a member is logging in, we sort of bringing those tiles that are relevant. And every member may be in a different phase in the journey in terms of getting the maximum value from their plan. And based on where they were, we were dynamically showing a different tiles to help them navigate through. We also started out with 6 specific campaigns for us to help members with. One, personalized welcome message. This is much before the member has enrolled. To what Shannon was talking earlier, how do you get the preference of the member or acceptance of the member to reach to them through either SMS, email, or any other digital channel? That's sort of one way we sort of welcome them, sort of try to lay the foundation for what to come next. The quickly followed with that, we went with personalized onboard message. When the member became enrolled and we wanted to sort of, hey, go and register for the mobile account or the portal account. And the third one, we sort of followed quickly based on the members, where they are, to download our mobile app. Then we sort of influenced them to update their preference for other type of communications, be it marketing or other relevant information for them, in addition to the plan communication for which they had already given the consent. Then we sort of went with collecting the race, ethnicity, language preference so that we can sort of see how well we are serving the community that we are operating in. And then followed that with the personalized plan and the care management that is specific to that particular plan. That's how we went with the campaign. Now, we always kept 4 W's while we were doing these campaigns. One, who the audience, what are we serving, or what are we communicating to the member, why are we communicating to that member at that point of time, and where and how we are sort of communicating to the member. We kept that for each and every one of our campaigns so that there is a consistency, there is a clarity, and a clear way for us to measure the ROI for the campaigns that we were launching. This was very important, being the very first implementation use case of the Redpoint for us to clearly measure, quantify, and sort of prove the value of the